So we do actually have a bit of an encore keynote. This may come as a huge surprise to you. We've not done so well keeping it quite the secret that we hoped, but I know I had to steal Ed away. No, they need to rehearse. We need to get Ed. Ed, do you want a cup of coffee? Let's go. Coffee. So let me, please help me welcome back to the stage Piers Cawley. And you stand right there.
I think you serenaded.
The morning sun will rise.
Stop that. Stop that.
And start again.
We rehearsed this. That wasn't going to be playing. Soon tomorrow's sun will rise and dawn will bathe the skies. There's time for just one parting song before we say goodbye. So sing together one and all and raise a glass of wine. Here's hoping we shall meet again along the road of time. We've shared our stories, yours and mine. We've shared our hopes and fears and memories of days gone by. We've all rolled back the years. So sing together one and all and raise a glass of wine. Here's hoping we shall meet again along the road of time. The ever-turning fateful wheel will cause our ways to part, but bringing untold mysteries another day shall start. So sing together one and all and raise a glass of wine. Here's hoping we shall meet again along the road of time. For from endings come beginnings, from the old shall start the new. So with hopes for tomorrow, we'll see our parting through. So sing together one and all and raise a glass of wine. Here's hoping we shall meet again along the road of time.
So unsurprisingly, we want to say a huge thank you to all of you who are attendees, all of the people who helped us make this show possible, and this time, most especially, to Ed.
Thank you.
See you in 2014.